Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So in this session I am going to show you how to create your own Revit architecture template, and as well as I am going to show you how to customize your Revit architecture template, and also I am going to show you how to upgrade the older Revit architecture template into new version of Revit architecture template. Okay, so usually what happens is, suppose if you have old version of a Revit architecture template, what happens, you will get one window that to upgrade into newer version. So I will show you how to how you will get it. So here I have older version of architecture template. So just if you just click on this, you will get this window. So automatically it will update to higher version. Alright, so what happens, so if you anytime if you get this, so it will be a time consuming, okay, and it will also a problem creating. So what you need to do is, you need to upgrade this, you need to save the template into higher version. So I will show you, and also you will face one problem. So what happens here, if you go to wall, see, suppose if you want to customize the wall thickness into your own, so here we have default wall sizes. Suppose if you want to create a 9-inch wall, what you need to do, you need to go to edit type and you need to click on duplicate and you need to rename it, right? So so I will just show you how to do this, and you need to edit the thickness here. So I will just give 9-inch and just give OK. So here I have changed it. And also suppose if you go to door, wall or any component, so what happens, you will get, see, fewer doors. Okay, so what you need to do, if you want more doors, you need to go to load family, then you need to select any particular door. So I will just select this particular door. So what I will do, I will select these two doors and I will just give open. So I will just select all as of now. So see, here also it is updating, right? See, yeah, see, you will get all types of doors here. So what happens, suppose if you save the project and if you close this, see, so you can save the project or else you just give no. Okay, again if you go to architectural template, see, again it is asking, and you won't get the customized wall what you have created to 9-inch, and you will not get the door what you have loaded your family. See, if you go to wall, so here you will not get the 9-inch wall, and as well as if you go to door, see here you have only single door. So I will show you how to get whenever you open the particular Revit architecture. Okay, so what I will do here, again I am going to create I will just create the 9-inch wall here. I will just give duplicate. So here I will give 9-inch. Yeah, okay, then I will give 9-inch thickness and just give OK. Okay, so here I have created. So for example purpose I am showing you, and then I will go to door here and I will load some of the doors here. So what I will do, I will just load this. So what I will do, I will just update all the things. So again you are getting all the things here. See, so 3 doors I have updated, that's why it's coming. See here. So once you customize, once you create your own template, you need to save this template as, see here you have, see what you need to do, you need to go to file, you need to go to save as, and you need to click on this template. So wherever you want to save, you just save it. So here what I will do, architectural template, architecture template, new. Okay, so here I have saved it. So again what happens, suppose if I will just close this, see, as I told you, if you open this, automatically it will update to newer version. Suppose if you try to open the older version architecture template, so here what I will do, I will just go to new. See, suppose if you want to get the new updated customized template here, so I have explained you in the previous video. If you want that, you just click on the I button, or else you just check in the description, you will get that video. Okay, how to add your template in the home page. So here you can open the you can open the template here also. You just click on new and click on browse. So you just browse where you have saved it. Here we have, see, here we have architectural template new, and just give open and just give OK. So no need to say, it won't ask you any updating. Okay, so suppose if you go to wall, you will get that particular 9-inch wall also. And suppose if you go to doors here, suppose if you go to doors, see, you will get all the doors which you have updated, right? So this is the way you can customize and you can create your own architectural template in Revit architecture. Okay, so hope you understood all the things how to customize the template. So if you like this video, do subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, and click the bell icon so that you will get my new video updates. Okay, thank you, bye bye.